You will need to remove the gear shift knob and surround to replace the scroll knob. The wiring connection is under the surround. It is the only way you can access it. Begin with the shift knob, boot, and surround. Make sure you are using a trim removal tool. Starting at one corner, pry up on the trim piece while working your way around it. Red arrows. There are 6 clips on the piece holding it in place, 2 on each side and 1 on the top and bottom. If the piece has never been removed, it will be a very snug fit. With the trim piece free from the console, lift it up and press the tabs on the 2 electrical connections, red arrows, and remove the connections from the piece. There is a plastic ring on the base of the shift knob, red arrow. Grasp this with your fingers and turn it counterclockwise. This will release the knob from the shaft. You can now pull the knob, boot, and trim piece straight up and off of the shaft, red arrow. Next, remove the surround around the shifter. Start in the corners, red arrows, and pry up the trim piece. There are 2 clips on the front of the piece and 2 hooks on the rear. By prying up the front, you can slide the hooks out of the rear by sliding the piece forward. You can see the clip and how it sits in the plastic mount, red arrow. While there is a small clip in the center of the trim piece, you do not want to pry from the middle or you run the risk of breaking the trim piece. Open the armrest. Use a T20 Torx to remove the single Torx screw behind the knob, red arrow. Pry up on the trim piece with your trim removal tool. Slide the trim piece forward and off of the console. Next, remove the T20 Torx screw in front of the control knob, red arrow. The wiring runs up to the left side of the shifter housing. Use a pick or small flathead screwdriver. Release the tab and separate the wiring connections, red arrow. The wiring is mounted to the plastic on the side of the console. Release the tab and slide the wiring connection down and off the mount, red arrow. You can now pass the wiring up through the hole in the console and safely remove the control knob. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.